traders, let's do a breakdown of today's trades that I have taken and review where, when, and how I entered a trade today so you can learn from that, and I will share the trades that I have taken today. So as we did weekly outlook on EURUSD, I said that I think EURUSD is bullish, and this daily fair value gap weekly order block main threshold will hold the price and will cause the price to go higher, take this buy side liquidity and maybe higher into this level. So that scenario can be possible for this week, and I have removed today's candle, so we think that we are in the start of the week and we are starting to open trades in the Monday. So as I have removed the Monday's candle, what we should expect when this week was started and what I was thinking about. When the trading day was started, I had two scenarios. Um, as I was aiming for a bullish week, I expect either the price goes up and then does a correction in the Tuesday or Wednesday, or the price will go down on the Monday and then does distribution to the upside during the week and make it a bullish candle for the weekly candle. So uh, this was the two scenarios that I was looking. So considering them, those scenarios, we expect either today's candle, Monday's candle goes up, takes this buy side liquidity first, and then it might correct to the downside, or it might do a downside move, then goes up and close the daily candle above this level. So considering those two scenarios, what we have in here is this daily order block, and we have this daily fair value gap on the upside. So the mid of this fair value gap is this daily fair value gap consequent encouragement. So this is our resistance area and this is our support area. Now we go to the 4-hour time frame. In 4 hour, you can see that the daily fair value gap consequent encouragement is also our 4-hour fair value gap, and also we have this buy side liquidity in here. So these are our resistance levels, and this is our 4-hour fair value gap that has been reclaimed, and this can be a support area. So if the price goes first up into this level and it gets rejected to the downside, we expect it to do correction into this fair value gap, and if we take from this low to that high, this level will be the discount area. But if it first goes down, then we will expect it to go up by the end of the day. So these are the two scenarios. Now we zoom into 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we have nothing to mark, so we play the candles up to the New York midnight. Before playing the candles, one thing I want to mention is that I take 2 trades per day. One trade will be taken in London kill zone and another trades will be taken in New York kill zone. And in every trades, I always target 3 hour. So this is how I do my trades during a day. Now we play the candles. So now you can see that price has went up before we enter into London kill zone, and it's midnight, so New York midnight. Price has taken the buy side liquidity first, and we will wait up to the London kill zone, then we will take trade in London kill zone or New York kill zone. So now we go to the lower time frame to look for entry models. In 15 minutes we have this. So we go to the 5-minute time frame. Now I play the candles up to this level, this London kill zone. Okay, I played the candles up to London kill zone. You can see that the Friday's high been taken on this move, and we tag this daily fair value gap consequent encouragement. And once again, right before the London kill zone, price went and taken out this high from Asia kill zone. So this was the Asia high that has been taken before London kill zone, and now we can expect the price to either go down or maybe it still want to go higher. So we play the candles in here. In this 3 down candles, what we can see is that this candles went below this lows, especially this low, So this was the low that has caused this high and took out the liquidity from this. So once price went below this in 5 minute time frame, and we can call it a market structure shift. So this becomes our breaker block. And what I do when I see a breaker block and a market structure shift in an area of value at the right time, which is this London kill zone, I look for entries on that breaker block. So this was the breaker block. I enter right into that breaker block. I place a sell limit and place stop above that breaker block, which will be here, and target 3R. Beside that, if you see this, take this high and this low, you can see that this is 2 and 2.5 standard deviation that can be taken as targets for the down move. So I mark this level into this green zone. Now we play the candles. So here we got into that trade. Then what price does is going lower and tags our target. So this is the trade that I took in London kill zone, and I will wait up to New York kill zone to open a second trade, and will not take another trade in this kill zone and in between these two kill zones. So what I do is playing these candles. You can see in here price eventually tags that 2 and -2 and -2.5 standard deviation. But what we have still in the left side is this internal liquidity in here. Now we play it. So this is the New York kill zone. Before going into New York kill zone, I go to the hourly time frame to mark a higher time frame level of resistance. And here you can see that we had this up candle, price went below it, so it flipped into order block. This candle went up into this fair value gap and tagged this, and then the next candle closed bearish. So now this is our order block and this is our propulsion block. uh, this proportion blocks uh, low is important, body is low, and also this week's mean threshold is essential. So you can see what this hourly candle has done. It went into the mean threshold of this and closed the candle below the body of this. So it means that this 1 hour order block had acted as a level of resistance, and we can look for shorts on this candle. So I mark the mean threshold of this hourly candle, not the mean threshold, but consequent encouragement of its week. So that will be here. Now we go to the lower time frame, 5 minute time frame, and we play the candles. So now we play the candles. This 1 hour week consequent encouragement can act as a level of resistance, and also this 4 hour fair value gap. So we play it forward. Now we are into New York kill zone. What you can see in here is the fact that price went up above this high, tagged this BPR in here, and then it went down into this order block, this one, and went up once again, but this down candle closed below this order block, flipping it into a breaker block, and as it closed below this low, so this is also a market structure shift, and now we can look for shorts on this level. So as I did in here previously, I will do the similar scenario in here. I open a short position on this breaker block by placing my stop above this breaker block's high and targeting 3R. So this is the trade that I place sell limit for, and we still can expect this sell side liquidity to be taken out for today. Here we got tagged in and price tagged this 5 minute fair value gap as well. So we expect down move from that level, and you can see price has tagged our target. So this is the second trade of today, and price has tagged our target in New York kill zone. So basically I'm done for today, and I have done two trades, one in London kill zone and another one in New York kill zone with targets of 3R, and price has tagged this liquidity as well. So after tagging this liquidity and closing today's candle bearish around these levels, we might expect a bullish candle from this internal liquidity for tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, and we might play our bullish scenario on EURUSD. Now I played up to now, so you can see where the price is right now, and as we go to the closing of this daily candle. So price is currently in here, and we close this daily candle in a bearish candle. And what we can expect is tomorrow we take this sell side liquidities from this level and then do expansion to the upside. So this was the trades based on ICT concepts, and you can see it was a very ranging day, but despite that we were able to take these two trades at the right time and the right level with the right entry model. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share these videos with your friends, as I will be uploading new videos and will share my other trades that I am going to take in coming days. Have a great trading week.